Hello, my name is Giovanni, and today I will talk of the topic passive voice. So far in the course, we have spoken only of the active voice, where the action of the verb is focused on the subject. When we want to give more importance to the action rather than the subject, we use what is known as the passive voice. For example, active voice, he ate all of the cookies. And passive voice, all of the cookies were eaten. Grammatical rules, the passive is formed using the auxiliary verb to be and the past participle of the principal verb. The structure is subject plus auxiliary verb to be plus past participle. For example, the speech is written of the president. The house was built in 1975. My wallet has been stolen. The room will be cleaned while we are out. To change the sentence from an active one to a past one, there are several points to keep in mind. The object of active voice sentences becomes the subject of the subject in the passive. The principal verb is the active voice is substituted by the auxiliary verb to be in the same verb tense, and the verb is then in the past participle from. The subject in the active voice becomes the complement in the passive. Is the passive we meeting the subject how complete the action subject agent. This subject is normally introduced in the passive with the preposition by. For example, active voice, Martin Wayne wrote the book. Passive voice, the book was written by Martin Twain. Active voice, the housekeeper will clean the room. Passive voice, the room will be cleaned by the housekeeper. Uses we use the passive voice when we do now how completed the action. Examples: a civil has been killed and the car was slaughtered. We use the active voice when we want to give more importance to the action and know how completed the action, or when we do want to say how completed the action. For example, the letter was delivered yesterday. My ticket was made. Note: we cannot use the passive voice with its intransitive verbs such as die, arrive, or go, because these verbs are now used with direction object. And finish is thanks for attention.